Welcome to my channel. Top 5 TP-Link Wi-Fi 7 routers. 1. TP-Link Archer BE900. Quad band, insane speeds, barely any lag even when my whole apartment was streaming, gaming, and running 50 smart devices. Setup? Pretty straightforward, app works fine. 2. TP-Link Deco BE95. If your house is one of those nightmare layouts with dead zones, this is gold. Wi-Fi 7 speeds across multiple nodes. I threw it across a 2-story place, and my dead spots disappeared. App setup is a little clunky sometimes, but once it's up, it's rock solid. 3. TP-Link Archer GX90X. This is basically a router that went to the gym. Low ping, crazy throughput, and it looks like a spaceship. Yeah, lights everywhere, a little extra, but it's for the vibe. I tested multiple 4K streams while gaming and my FPS didn't budge. 4. TP-Link AXE3000. Don't let the smaller number fool you. It's cheaper than the BE900 but still Wi-Fi 7. Great for small to medium homes. Setup was painless, and the speeds don't disappoint. Honestly, perfect for people who want new tech. 5. TP-Link Archer BE200. Entry-level Wi-Fi 7. If you just want to dabble without going all in, this is it. Performance is solid, range is decent, and setup is idiot-proof. Not going to win awards for features, but it works, and that's half the battle. Thanks for watching.